Welcome. If you've ever accidentally muted a friend's story on Snapchat and want to start seeing their updates again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the updated process to restore a friend's story on Snapchat, so you never miss out on what's happening in their world. First, grab your phone and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can manage all your Snapchat settings and friends. Now scroll down until you see the My Friends section. Tap on it to bring up your full friends list. From here, find the friend whose story you want to restore. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've found your friend, press and hold down on their name. This will open a menu with several options for managing your connection. At the top right corner of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those to access more settings. Next, select Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can control what notifications you get from this friend and, most importantly, how you interact with their stories. Within these settings, tap on Story Settings. Here you'll find a switch labeled Mute Story. If this switch is turned on, you won't see your friend's stories in your feed. To restore their story, simply toggle off the Mute Story switch. And that's it. You've successfully restored your friend's story. Now, their updates will appear in your Snapchat Stories feed just like before, and you'll be back in the loop with everything they share. If you ever want to mute or unmute other friends' stories, just repeat these steps. Snapchat makes it easy to control what you see, so you can always customize your experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of your Snapchat experience.